Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Good News Assembly on this Friday morning. I hope you've had a brilliant first week back at school, and I can't wait to be back on Monday to see all the amazing things you've been doing. It is Good News Assembly, and we're going to talk about our tries of the week and also about our core value this week, which I'm really excited to see who has got it. To start, though, I'm going to talk about one of our expectations and one of our 4 golden rules at Macefield. Today, I'm going to focus on the treatment rule. And the treatment rule is really underpinned by this verse in Luke chapter 6, verse 31. My brain tells me correctly, treat others as you wish to be treated. It's such an easy saying, treat others as you wish to be treated. Such an easy saying to say. But actually, do we understand what that really means? It's about treating others kindly. It's about being friendly. Being nice to other people. Not about hurting other people and saying nasty things. It's really important that we follow these rules at Macefield, because that's what makes our school the best and happiest school in the country. And that's what we want it to become. So we can all follow our school motto of believe, achieve, and succeed. Just going to give you a few moments now to think about how you could follow the treatment rule today and moving forward over the next few weeks. I hope we had some great answers then, and I look forward to coming talking to you about them next week. Okay, it's now time for the main event. The one you've been waiting for. I can't wait till we can do this back in the hall again. It is our Tries of the Week and our Core Value Award of the Week. Bit of music in the background as well to make it even more dramatic. So our core value this week has been resilience. Just going to give you a few moments now, and you might want to pause the video, teachers, to talk about who has been resilient this week. Who's shown resilience? Who's never given up? Who's worked really hard to overcome barriers and overcome challenges? Let's find out. And we're going to start with reception. Our first try of the week is Millie for a great recount on the life cycle of a chicken. We've also got Oliver for his enthusiasm in maths and understanding of doubles. Well done to those 2 tries of the week. And our core value is for Noah for never giving up when writing with tricky sentences. Well done, Noah. Very, very impressed. Moving on to year 1, our tries of the week. Olivia Webster for using boys' sentences independently in her writing. Well done, Olivia. Those Alan Pete sentences come in really handy in our English work. And we've also got Jake for excellent contributions in our English this week. Well done to our 2 tries of the week in year 1. And on to our core value, resilience. It's such a great core value this week. It's one of the best. It is Louis Darwell for never giving up. Well done for being resilient, Louis. Very, very impressed. Over to year 1 too. We've got Amelia Haslam for fantastic writing. That's our first try of the week. Well done to Amelia. And we've also got Sophie Mason for amazing work on time in maths. Mrs. Bean will be very impressed. And onto our core value for resilience this week is Scarlett Simpson for never giving up and always trying her best. Well done to our Triers and Core Value Award winners in year 1 too. Over onto year 2. Our first trier is Sarah for sharing her fantastic ideas for her DT project. Oof. I might come and have a look at that next week. It sounds very, very interesting. And we've also got Alfie for working really hard to improve his handwriting. And our core value is Rio for showing resilience in writing. Well done, Rio. Mr. Klemioke will be impressed. I'm sure he'll want to come and have a look at some of your work. well done to our triers and core value winners in year 2. Congratulations, guys. It's now time for Key Stage 2. On to year 3, and our triers. Marcus for detailed descriptive writing. Mrs. Jolly has put amazing. So well done to Marcus, and also Jake for a super effort to include lots of amazing features in his writing. Wow. Year 3 have been busy this week with their writing. And Nevaeh has got the core value award this week for never giving up, especially on tricky tasks. Well done, year 3. Sounds like been lots of hard work this week. Big thank you as well, Mrs. Jolly. I think she should have an award this week for organising the Science Day. Sadly, I couldn't be there, but I enjoyed looking at all the amazing pictures on Twitter. It looks like it was an amazing day. So well done to Mrs. Jolly. And well done to all the staff as well for your participation in that. It looks like a fantastic day for all the pupils. And over to year 4. Our triers are Erin for excellent science outfits and projects. And also Lexi for excellent science outfits and projects. I think I need to come and have a look at these projects next week. Make sure they're ready for me when I come have a walk around on Monday morning. And our core value award winner in year 4 is Amelia for never giving up when she finds work difficult. The same theme is coming up with resilience, and hope you're taking it all on board. It's such an important core value, one that all of us, from nursery reception all the way up to year 6 and as adults, we follow. Well done, year 4. And on to 5G, we've got Rebecca for making an enthusiastic start back in school after half term. Well done, Rebecca. And we've got Finley for consistently reaching gold challenges in maths. Well done, Finley. Sounds like you've both worked really hard this week. Had a very successful first week back. Our core value award is for Maisie for working hard on her writing and for using her mistakes as a tool for improvement. Yes, it is. Mistakes, some of the most important ways of improving ourselves. I always say the first attempt in learning is what a fail is. On to 5R. We've got Ward for having a wonderful attitude towards his learning and giving 100%. Well done, Ward. Congratulations. And Sophie Mason for writing a fantastic piece of cross-curricular writing on Super Science Day. Another science theme coming up. Well done to our 2 triers in year 5R. And our core value goes to Heath Hampson for always showing resilience and not being afraid of a challenge. Yes, another quality of resilience is facing those fears, facing those challenges and never giving up. That's what year 6 will be doing right now, I imagine, is there at Robin Wood as you watch this, overcoming their fears and working really hard on them. So, because year 6 are at Robin Wood, we've not got any tries and core values. They've actually done theirs in class on Thursday afternoon. At this point, it's any highlights of the week. Teachers, if you'd like to pause the video at this point and ask your children if there are any highlights they'd like to share. There may not be, that's fine, continue watching, but if there are, there is an opportunity to do it right now. I'm back. The pause in time, the power of video is here. And now, I've just got it over here. I've been tallying up our house team winners. And drumroll, please. I can now reveal that the winners, the first week of this hard term, are St. Andrews. Well done to St. Andrews. First one in the bag for this half term. Congratulations. And now it's the time you've all been waiting for to end our assembly. There is only one way to do it on a Friday, and that is power in me. I want to be able to hear you all singing from where I am sat right now. I want those ceilings vibrating and those wonderful voices coming out. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. And I look forward to seeing you all on Monday. Fingers crossed. Power in Me is on the all-staff drive, in assemblies, in music assembly. Take care, everyone, and well done to all of our winners this week.